Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to resize a gallery in Weebly. This is a really useful skill if you want to adjust the size of your image galleries to better fit your website's layout and design. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your website projects. On the left side menu, look for the option labeled Website and click on it. This will expand a submenu where you'll see Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be presented with a list of websites associated with your account. Choose the website that contains the gallery you want to resize. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen and click the Edit button. This will take you into the editor page of your website where you can make all your customization changes. When you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where all your page building and editing tools are located. Now here's a simple technique for resizing your Weebly gallery that works really well. First, find the gallery on your page that you want to resize. Once you've located it, you're going to use the spacer element to control the gallery's dimensions. This is the key to precise sizing in Weebly. Simply drag a spacer element from your Elements panel and place it on each side of the gallery. The spacers act as invisible boundaries that help you control exactly how wide your gallery will be. If you want even more control over your gallery's appearance, you can also add spacer elements to the top and bottom of the gallery. This gives you the ability to manage vertical spacing as well, ensuring your gallery fits perfectly within your page layout. Now comes the actual resizing part. Look for the line that appears between the spacer and the gallery itself. You can simply click and drag this line to adjust the size of your gallery. As you drag it, you'll see the gallery expand or contract in real time, making it easy to get the exact size you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully resized your Weebly gallery using spacers, giving you complete control over how your images are displayed on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.